want to go to it. It's not.
It may be
So them right
it's
here.
right there.
Right up here.
No. Yeah, I see what's
Big
up.
metal. Nothing but a.
So you're seeing 1, 2.
What's the name of it? Sports Center. I don't see it.
When we can pass by it, this next one here is Broken Ditch. Do you have just me? Did you put my name in for search?
No.
Because there's one for Matt's down here too that ain't showing.
Maybe, I don't know. Let me go out and completely shut it off. Go back in it. Yeah,
That's this one. Yeah, we're at this one.
Yeah. I got the next one over.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. What's the name of it? Open it.
Sports Center. I got that one.
Right,
years
so
ago, evidently.
right then there's this one down here, the Evo building that Matt put out, which you can't get, but that's one that we're gonna go to.
Okay.
Oh no, it is by me. So cool. I can change. I probably got in here and was doing them here because it was raining like 10 motherfuckers, dude. And I probably just didn't change it. More raspberries.
Oh, yep. Wild raspberries are sometimes even sweeter.
Yeah, unless they've been sprayed. That's the only
If
real.
they have been sprayed, they'd look like shit.
No.
Oh, there's our old boy over there.
Yeah, 0.3. We got to walk out and around that little thing. Yeah, this is a good long walk. Too many people from a pen. How we doing on time, brother?
It is. The time is 3 o'clock.
Oh shit! What time's? Jennifer get home? Oh, you got to have supper all whipped up and shit, don't you?
It's about, what is it, about an hour to my house? 45 minutes?
If that.
I got my steps in now, so we're done.
Yeah. I figured that. I mean.
Getting home, I'm going to work on my fishing pole. Tomorrow we're going to Chicago. We're going shopping with my mom and my girlfriend. I'm taking them over to the outlet mall in Chicago. And I'm going to stop at in the mountains.
Nice.
Jennifer's supposed to get a bonus check tomorrow. And it's 6% of her
Annual pay.
income for the first 6 months of the year.
Oh shit.
That'll be a few thousand. Where did we park it? Way back that way?
Over here.
Or did we just walk a circle?
Yeah. How your foot feeling? You must Managing.
be doing a little bit better. You're not limping now.
I'm walking on it different. Putting it all on my fucking pinky side. That motherfucker's getting a blister or something. Oh, that's alright. I won't feel this shit tomorrow,
You're
bro.
gonna feel it tonight when you take your shoe off. I don't even know what to tell you to do for it. Soak it, I guess. Ice it.
I'm gonna ice it.
All the park goes for tomorrow.
I ain't gonna be a dick, man. When it's so easy with a cordless sawzall to come out there and just burn it. It should have been done a long time ago, though.
Well, yeah, somebody's hit it with an alarm bell for Pete's sake.
What happened, though, is not only has it hurt my foot, when it did that, my whole lower fucking body on the right side jerked from hitting it.
I saw how you were.
So
I thought you were going to hit the ground.
I should have. It probably wouldn't have hurt my fucking hip as bad. That and is nowhere near as bad as that. This much of the toe right here is just still screaming. So if I put weight on it, it's like the feeling you get when you've been kicked in the balls and it's all wore off, but that last lingering kind of stick to your stomach.
Yeah.
That's how that toe feels if I put my weight on that big toe. Oh, it's a lot cooler, dude.
Dude, it is still fucking humid.
Yeah, we ended up turning the fucking heat. The AC back on.
How much am I off tonight?
You know, we did that and then had to turn it on and make it do catch up.
Well, I knew it was going to get 80 degrees today, so and humid. So
0.1.
500 feet. And this is that other guy's cache that I already have? Or
No, this is mine. Matt's got one that's across the way that we ain't got yet.
So it was snowing and icky out when you guys put these out?
Raining like a 10 motherfuckers.
So it was early spring?
I don't know.
Late winter?
It was before April, probably February.
Cold.
It was cold. Man, that dude's just driving all through the grass, so are they? What the fuck are they doing?
There's a road there, isn't
Oh, maybe it is.
there? No, they were in the grass.
They were in the grass.
They were definitely in the grass.
Yes.
I don't know what they were doing. Checking out the four-wheel drive, I guess.
Being punk chitlins.
The breeze feels pretty good.
That it does, man. That it does. I bet certain ways throwing the frisbee today get you a good ass swing down the way.
Yeah, with this wind, it'd be hard to do.
Or easier to do.
C-R4. So they have different starting points.
$294.
Is it over in this stuff?
Yeah.
You must be by water.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
It's a nice fishing spot down there,
Is
but
it the river?
yeah.
I can smell a boat.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what I wanted to ask you. So, Mike's brother told him that mulberries?
Yeah.
Mulberries. Did you ever eat them?
Damn, man. I bet we could walk across there.
Oh,
No.
is it out there?
No. It's fast water over there. Deep ripples, so it's deep on that side.
So, Mike's brother told him to run premium gasoline in his boat.
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
For real?
For real, bro.
Okay. Because I looked it up, and Google says that nowadays with the new motor, it makes.
Do you have a new motor?
My motor is a 96.
No, it's not a new motor.
No, it's a 2005.
2012, 2015, maybe. You're, no, premium, bro.
Okay, I bought regular.
Well, using your lawnmower.
You always use premium, huh?
I always use premium, dude. Premium, especially in a pontoon boat. I mean, mixed gas is mixed gas.
I put Luke in. See, mine has injected.
Injected oil. 34 feet. We're here.
You don't remember where it's at?
I remember it's just a cliffhanger, dude. I think it's over here, brother. Let's come down here and get all this firewood pieces. It's like right down here on the back of this or something on one of these hanging down low. We're at 7 foot.
guessing it's going to be on the back of this tree here.
One of these trees here. It's under something. I'll look on this one. Oh, it's right here. Cool, let's see how well these do out in the field.
Real good.
Really. Those might have to be $3.
Oh, the bugs.
Oh, $2, those ought to sell fast. I paid $1.25 for 3.
Oh.
That's decent enough profit. I ain't got to try to gouge the fuck out of anybody. I want to sell them so I can go find them. Why are they so cheap? Because I want you to go hide them, so I have something to look for. Instead of me hiding them all.
What kind of plant is that over there?
I don't know.
Only one person found this.
Yeah, J-Lo.
Yeah.
Or Netlo. Who?
JM. And they found it 3:31.
Yeah. That was
No, that Nate, whatever, he found it, and then so 2 people.
Yeah, when did he find it?
He found it 3:20, and they found it the next day.
Oh, that's what, it was placed 3:19. or right before that.
You know I'm logging Jen's name too.
I give no fucks.
Yeah, this thing seems to be holding up pretty good there, brother.
Yeah. I agree. I agree. Ugh. And the cords, there again, were pretty damn good. For the rain and shit. We used both me and Matt's phone. And then double check with Google Earth.
700 stuff.
You need 700?
That's all I need.
Oh yeah, we gotta cross up here and then walk back to the truck, dude.
Oh, that's over 1,000.
We should be good.
I don't even think I can see maps.
Broken ditch. No, you can't. But you can sign it. Hillstead didn't find it. I found it. It'd be, dude's like, lots of hiding spots. Be nice to have a hint. Listen, the dude's got 3,000 hides. Be nice to have a hint. Yeah. Oh, this is way better walking on the pavement. Right up here, see ya.
Is this a school?
Yeah.
I see the football field.
Look. Oh, just over the sign line past this tree. The next hole or whatever. Straight back.
That's the tree right there?
Straight back. Past these little starting point for the hole 9. And a little bullshit broken.
What's the name of it?
Broken ditch.
Got a breath, brother?
Yeah, walking uphill sucks. Pushing on, I can't help but step on that toe.
In Alabama, going up to the big house where my aunt lives. Like that.
Oh yeah. They have to have a rope hang it down.
I had my surgery. I drove down to the bottom and would walk. I don't know what kind of cat. That might have been deer.
Steer. But he's right. There's a lot of places to look here.
Oh, is it right here?
Yeah. Let's see how well you need a hint.
just tell me when you get close.
We just buzzed.
So it's 10 feet.
No, it's within 30 feet now. I'm getting you a little closer. Oh, said we were within 5 feet. But I can see it, so.
You can see it? Is it up
Yeah.
in there?
I'm just gonna sit here almost within arm's reach of it, so I'm not giving it away, and see how far it says. 'Cause it's within 4.
Is it underneath here?
No, it's not underneath.
You can see it.
Yeah, we can move this to down there.
How come I'm not seeing it?
Because it's a black round circle is what you need to look for now.
Well, all this black plastic.
Black round circle. That's the key thing. Being colorblind, I'm seeing that circle immediately because it don't match. Here, this will help. I'll get a little closer. Because I think we're going to move it down there a little bit.
34 feet?
Yeah, that's what it says. But like I said, I can see the cache. Oh, Matt's.
Is it in this stuff?
No. It's to your right. Even with your right foot. You know, you got to be looking right at it by now. You can see the cat, that's it.
That's a good high.
You don't think we should move it or give a hint? You're going to have to expand.
34 feet, that's a big. 2 people have only found it. No. First to find, and then 2 people found it. Did you get the first to find on it?
No. See, now I wish I had the paint with me. Yeah, I have to tell him to change this so you can sign it.
Is that it? That was 5 or 6.
So, if you were going to give a really good...
What was the clue you gave me?
Oh,
Black round circle.
oh no, that ain't going to help with being 30
Dude,
foot.
that is hitting so freaking
To be with 30 feet off. This is south, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't
Where
know.
we're at. So that's west, that's north, that's south.
I think we're the other way around.
Am I the other way around? That's definitely west, because that's where the clouds are coming from. I don't know. So Rock River is there. Here, let me look it up on here.
There, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I would say that. One dude's got a man bun. One of these old coffers.